you from?
I'm from Japan.
From Nigeria.
I'm from Delhi, India.
We come from Mali.
What are you most excited about coming to Canada?
Oh, there's so many beautiful natures, and there's so many people who are from different countries.
Meeting new people, learning the culture. Also, I love the weather here. It's nice.
I am excited about eating different kind of foods and meeting new people.
And why did you decide on AC?
More academic programs, so I chose this is the best place for me.
A friend of mine is an alumni of the school and he said it's pretty good. Yeah, he recommended it to me.
Just in the room, I saw many type of people, so I'm excited about talking to them.
When you ask someone for a question, they will help you with smile, and they are very nice. People are very kind. We decided to come here because of the program.
So what's your advice for new students?
Come and see academic advising for sure, and Rizia services.
Do you have any advice for new students coming to AC?
Study hard. Also, if you have any questions, you can come to the college. We're here to help you.